Hey guys, welcome back to another Tesla update video. Today I'm going to be talking about my thoughts and what to expect next with Tesla. As you can see, closing at 431, up 3% today. Huge day for the bulls. And as you can see, it's honestly better on the 15-minute time range. You can see we are starting to break out of that bull flag and starting to use it as support. Very huge. This is what we've been wanting ever since we were pretty much at 454-ish. Getting close to that breakout at 450. Then we had that false breakout, took us up to 447, got smacked down. But guys, finally starting to break out of this bull flag, which is huge. Another good thing is that 4-hour SMI is still at the bottom of the indicator, suggesting we have a lot more room to grow to the upside. A lot more room to the upside than to the downside. And I was telling my members for a while, even though we were dipping and it looked like there was no hope for Tesla, guys, we printed a bullish divergence on the 4-hour SMI. This is a huge thing that the bulls need to look at. I'm sure the bears aren't looking at it. Oh, but yeah, guys, this is a huge thing the bulls need to look at to stay calm through this whole situation. Know that this means that the bullish momentum is starting to pick back up. So honestly, if you were in my Discord, you would have known that and probably wouldn't have got burned at all. People probably bought a lot of puts here, probably started shorting the stock. But guys, that is not what you want to do when you see this bullish divergence. So hey guys, I do have a Discord. I post live trading updates for both Nvidia and Tesla every single day. Definitely go check it out. It's only $5 a month, or there's a free trial, so you can check it out for free. And if you have any questions, drop them in the community chat, guys. But yeah, a lot of good things for Tesla today. We got that move up. That daily candle does not look the best, but I mean, I'm happy with how today went. You know, you can't be too picky here. We'll take a 3% day any day, especially when we were getting smacked down pretty much the whole morning. It was around 420 for a while, so definitely taking this close, and looks like we're breaking out of this bull flag and up after up post market, so it's looking really good. And now let's go into the concerns, guys. Concerns is that 1-hour SMI is at the top of the indicator. Let me get rid of this. Oh. That 1-hour SMI is at the top of the indicator, suggesting that short term we could find a little bit of a top. But again, if we're bullish, if we're very bullish and we get in that bull mode, then this 1-hour SMI should not matter as much. We could take this stock all the way up, and this SMI will just keep going up with us. As you can see over here, it can get pretty far extended. But guys, if we do follow through this bullish momentum, which I do think will happen, our first target to the upside is this gap fill sitting around 450. And then we have resistance up to 454. So this little zone right here, 450, 454-ish. And if we break past that, guys, our next zone is the mid 460s. That is the next target. So yeah, guys, a lot of good things here for Tesla. I do see good things for the bulls here. We should see the stock follow through in these next few days. Really push this thing back up, get us in basically in the 450s is when I can start turning very bullish on the stock. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, that 4-hour SMI still at the bottom of the indicator, suggesting we have a lot more room to grow. 1-hour SMI, not so much. But guys, if we're bullish, it does not matter as much. Yeah, and going into tomorrow, I do not want to see any movement back inside this bull flag. I don't want to see that. That just shows we're losing bullish pressure. So I do not want to see that. Excuse me. Ideally, we gap up a little tomorrow. Fill that gap. Actually, we don't really want to fill that gap, but ideally we just, retest this little green trend line that's been supporting us for weeks. So we could come down and see, 432-ish, come down, retest that, and then continue higher to that first target. That's what I want to see for Tesla. That's what I think is going to happen for Tesla. Obviously today we try to trap a lot of bears. Seems like the past few days have been some bear traps, so it is time for the bulls to really take advantage. So yeah, guys, a lot of good things for the bulls here. Again, join my Discord. It's very cheap, and you get a lot of good information. People really seem to like it, so definitely go check it out. Links in my description. Yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.